was very interesting. I tested this before a power hour once, and literally I did it, I posted like 30 minutes before 8 o'clock, and I had 44 people out of 100 that I invited who said that they would be there.
Want to tap into a brand new strategy that we've been tinkering around with here at the Advisorist Lab? One that very few advisors have discovered, let alone used. I'm Alina Nazari with Advisorist, and in today's video, we're going to peek behind the curtain where award-winning marketer Jeremiah Desmarais taught hundreds of insurance and financial advisors how to use free LinkedIn event marketing to increase attendance at their events. But before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you please hit that subscribe button below? This allows us to notify you when we post new content and publish brand new videos to help you grow your business. Thank you. Now let's take a peek.
So I'm on the LinkedIn homepage right now. Let's give our buddy Tom Hegna a like. He's always awesome. Down here, I'm going to scroll down right here. I'm trying not to go too fast. You see this events? All right. So this is basically a blank canvas now. You can choose whatever you do. Now, remember that little trick, right? That I showed you guys in 2 weeks ago. You can use that software to create beautiful headers. So here you would put your cover image. So you can put a nice little cover image. Here's where I would put your headshot actually. Let's see if we can just grab a little photo here. I think I have some from my downloads. All right, let's just use mine. Put your headshot in there, kind of position it, make sure it's good. You could straighten it, turn it around, get crazy with it, zoom in, zoom out. And you can even drop some filters on it. Oh, I didn't even know that. Okay. Classic black and white. There we go. All right. So black and white, Jeremiah is inviting you to an event. Then you just simply create the name, right? So what kind of event do you guys want to create here? Actually, let's take Robert's example to the nth degree, right? So we started talking about Robert. So let's take his example. We're going to talk about top 50, I think it was Orange County. Orange County businesses share secrets to success. Top 50, maybe I'd change that to award winners. That is long. I'm trying to think like how I'd make it super relevant. So, because if I'm going to reach out to other Orange people in Orange County, let's say that's my community, I do Orange County top 50 winners, because it's not going to show the whole title sometimes. Secrets to success. That's what I'd call it. Okay. Organizer. And then you're going to be able to choose your own company. You always got to have a company there. Is this an online event? You want to make sure it's a yes, because this is where you're going to put your link, your Zoom link. Okay. So you're going to put your link in there. Choose the date and time. So let's say it's Friday at, 12:30. Choose my close time. Oops. Come on, you can do this, LinkedIn. I know you can. All right. 1:30, same day, Eastern. Description. So this is where you want to be really strong in your description, right? So I'll just like add freestyle it. The top 50 winners of the Orange County Business Association will reveal rapid fire nuggets of wisdom that have helped them be successful. Join us and bring your employees, teams, and colleagues for an inspirational hour of insights and networking. Prizes to be awarded, right? You could like have the local businesses donate prizes and you give them away to attendees who show up live. Of course, you can use the recordings later. If you have a ticketing website, I don't really recommend you do that. You could just leave it blank. And then you definitely want to make this a public event, okay? Which means it's visible to anyone on LinkedIn and anyone can choose to attend. All right, so it's going to give me a little bit of a hard time right now because I don't have the link in there. So bear with me. I want to go through the process of actually creating it with you. So I'm going to grab a link. Give me 1 second, friends. Because once the magic of this is not creating it, the magic is actually sharing it. That's where you're really going to see a lot of value here. So let me grab the link. Okay. All right, I just went ahead and I took a link. So that's the broadcast link. And the description is, I'm going to do test. So at least I can create it. And then I'm just going to go back and delete it, okay? Okay, so you create your event. Now, there's a couple of things you're going to want to do with the event. First is you definitely want to share it, okay? Now, this is the generic copy that LinkedIn will propose to you. Advisorist is hosting Test Orange County Top 50. Would you like to attend? That's the generic copy. It's fine for now. You can post it out there. Use the hashtags that I gave you guys 2 weeks ago to be successful. Hit post and off you go. All right. Always leave this to anyone. Okay. Back. I'm not going to post it for now. Now, this is where the magic happens right here. This button, invite connections. Okay. So you see my little details showed up as test right here. Now I can invite connections. Now this is where you start getting fun. So these are all the people I am personally connected to. So this is what you're going to see. You're going to see everybody you're connected to. And don't forget, you have all of these kind of conditions up here, the locations. So let's say I want to just invite all my connections in the Orange County area. Apply. Awesome. If I want to search by company type, I wouldn't really do that. I would just leave that, blank. Current companies, I would, pass. Schools, pass. Industries, pass. I would basically leave all of this. I would just kind of invite everybody in my network. So once I start clicking here, look at this. It's going to add them to a list. Now, by the way, this list goes on for hundreds or even thousands. So you can just sit here. That's why I said have an assistant do this. Or if you have more time than money right now, just go and do it yourself. Go as far as maybe 50 or 100, invite them, and then start again. You can always come back and hit that button again. And what that's going to do is that these will now fire invitations off. So when people go to their invitations right here, it's going to show up right here. Like here's that guy right here. See how it showed up with all the people who wanted to connect with me? That's where it is. How cool is that, guys? Right? Pretty cool stuff. All right. Any questions on that? So here's what I'm going to do now is we have 5 minutes before we wrap up. It's pretty cool, right? So think about the possibilities of all the events you could be doing. Make that one of your SOPs, or make it one of your SOPs for your assistant that, every week, if you're doing an event every week, or you're doing webinars right now with, you're buying traffic or you're doing whatever, go ahead and have them as part of their SOPs create those events for you so that you can have all that exposure and add people. It was very interesting. I tested this before a power hour once, and literally I did it, I posted like 30 minutes before 8 o'clock, and I had 44 people out of 100 that I invited who said that they would be there. And guess what? That's free traffic, right? You don't have to pay for that. Free 99, nothing better than that. Okay.
Hope you enjoyed that clip from a recent live training on LinkedIn event marketing. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for more insightful tactics and strategies proven to work in 2020, just like these. I also want to invite you to attend our free virtual advisor power hour Jeremiah Desmarais hosts for hundreds of insurance and financial advisors every single week. Just click the link in the description below to add it to your calendar. Thanks for watching.